During Samsung's annual January 2nd gathering of presidents and department heads, which has been kickstarting the year and its execution strategy lately, Samsung executives were reportedly shown a video with customer testimonies and overviews of the Samsung's electronic device, global market positioning and user perception. Amidst a direct comparison with Samsung customers, they had seen a tidbit that said Galaxy smartphone users are more disappointing than iPhone in this regard. Unfortunately, the leaked report of the meeting does not specify at which aspect the Samsung think that the iPhones are beating its handset or if they meant the S24 series at all, but Chairman Lee apparently emphasized that the company must think from the customer's perspective and provide services needed by users such as generative AI. This is why after the strategy laying meeting on the day, Samsung opened the Galaxy S24 deals, and just a few days after the announcement, Samsung executives huddled together and held a discussion on the direction of AI technology and future response strategies. Besides AI and software, Samsung will shake up the hardware and design approach, especially in the foldable phones realm. It is rumored they are working on a much cheaper Galaxy Fold line member as well as try and make the Z Fold 6 way thinner in order to have a chance compete against the Chinese who are superior in terms of specs and design. That is the phone from OnePlus, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, Honor and other brands. Samsung Electronics DS division and Samsung STS departments that deals with the customer electronics business are preparing for big changes in device design and software. So maybe we can see from the Z Fold 6, the S25, a major design change, and maybe they'll get a new design language.